We still in update of wetin dey happen for Osu. No be small thing o. They say so far so on that 3 DSS and the other joint force wey go to battle with Biafra Liberation Army for inside bush. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army kpai 3 DSS for the matter as we dey talk right now. No be small thing o, as this Biafra Liberation Army don still come outside come pass one message give to governor of Imo State, tell am say finally he wan set Imo State on fire and very soon they will be on the street. Say all those people wey he invite come, they go make sure say they chase them reach their house for every state for inside Nigeria. He said that the rain wey wan fall, e don start dey prepare and make every citizen no be small thing o, make everybody get ready because as e wan be like this now, they go soon come outside with full force come face these people wey dey face them. Now I come say na wow, that means I go carry my bag go build one house for inside bush or at the ground like Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk and all of them, they build underground tunnel. Now maybe I go find way build my own so that I go see where I go rip rule enter inside if all these things start to but however men dey okay my people, we'll go find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See they here, they bring you update back to back as they hot. My wonderful people, they say no be small thing they go up for inside the Osu. When I put Osu Moho, some people go say they for Anambra, but we'll get also for Imo State. I don't know why people they always use that. If you call that, I say they for Anambra, but however, they say for 3 DSS don't buy for inside also. But wetin they ask, why the Nigerian news need they carry this kind matter? Because these families need to know whether their husband will go work still they okay. But as it don't be say it don't be. They say person waiting for a house, you come to buy him along the line, they fit buy you puto. So the Biafra Liberation Army now, one don't come outside. Blessing I'm be the commander, whether they call Holy Ghost. He don't come outside. Come talk say that this thing where the thing say it start for Olu, it go soon reach other local government for inside Imo State, and it go from local government come pass enter state for inside southeast. That can say now be say wahala don't do. But however, we will play the video and may you listen and hear wetin talk, and before we go come back, come proceed.
For this 1 month that you declare war against the indigenous people of Biafra, we are going to entertain you very well. We will entertain you very well. Do you understand me, so? We will entertain you very, very, very well. So therefore, everybody that say it doesn't concern you, fasten your seatbelt. Fasten your seatbelt. We have entered gear 4. We have entered gear 4. Fasten your seatbelt, please. I beg, I take God's name, beg you. Before this erosion will take you unaware. Before this erosion will take you unaware. We are on the 3-day war now. About to enter 5 days. Man, 4 days tomorrow. If you can listen very well, you hear gun going on. Begin where no one in mama to sleep, you know they see sleep. They are not sleeping and we are not sleeping. They keep deploying and we will also keep deploying. They will plan and we are also planning. They will shoot at us, we will also shoot at them. But there is one thing I want to tell them. Now we own this ground. And now we go remain in this ground. They are stranger. They are visitor unwanted visitor for that matter, and the ground will swallow them all. And at the end, now the owner of the ground will still remain. Yes, when you pay people visit in their house, at the end, no matter how long you stay in that house, you must go and leave the house for the owner of the house. So no matter how, even though they declare 1 month, but I promise them that they will not stay here reach 1 month. No matter how hard they stay, how long they stay, at the end they will see this land will still remain our own. Now then we'll see go. But I assure them, they will never go alive. Yes, they will never go alive. So, those of you say it doesn't concern you. Ho, ho, ho. Now, so the people where they live near Osumowo, they talk say it no concern them. But today, it follow concern them. So, the whole of Olu, you see, now, a little you can do, if you have phone, begin to make noise, begin to call, begin to protest, begin to cry out. Because you will soon reach your domos. You hear wetin Lucky Dube sound? He say, you can only talk about it when something happen to another person, you will not talk about it. Oh. You can only talk about it when it come to your domos. Now that time you begin to cry. But when you were having a chance to prevent that thing from reaching your domot, you didn't do that. Now that it never reached your domot, those of you who this thing never reached your domot, begin to do protest now. Ask Hope, why is he killing your brother? You that is in Okigwe, where the heat has not started, have you been making noise? Have you been creating awareness that Hope is killing your people? You that are in Owerri, where the heat is not burning to reach your area, have you been making noise online, on media, do protest? Why Hope is killing your people? You that are not in Osumowo precisely, are you be making noise? Why Hope is killing your brother and your sister, your father, your mother, your uncle, your friend, your relative? You are not. Because it doesn't reach your domot. You keep quiet. You go your normal way of business. But don't worry. It's going to reach you. It's going to reach you. You are going to also feel the heat very soon. If not 1 week, it's going to be 2 weeks. If not 2 weeks, it's going to be 3 weeks. If not 3 weeks, it's going to be 1 month, as Hope had declared 1 month. Yes, remember, ball where the ball can never remain one place when it bounces on the ground. It can never remain one place when it bounces on the ground. Football can never remain one place when it bounces on the ground. Tennis can never remain one place when it bounces on the ground. That is what they don't know. Hope, I believe you know that you are not joking with illiterates like Boko Haram. I believe you know that the people you are dealing with, there are many military men within them. There are many expertise within them. You never know what you are bringing upon yourself. You never know. But I promise you that before this 1 month, they will declare Imo State. They will declare Imo State state of emergency. Believe you me. Mark it somewhere. Imo State are going to be declared state of emergency. Yes. By fire, by force. But I assure you, that thing you think is not going to work the way you think. We are here to change your thinking. We are the thought changer. Your thought can never fulfill in our life, in our land. You are just a devil. And in every devil, there is a saint to stop the devil. In every evil, there is always a righteous to stop the evil. And since you choose yourself to be the mass of destruction, we have your antidotes. We have your antidotes, and we will give you your antidotes. I do not intend to go longer than this, but I am telling you that all the nearby villages that are close to us, the terrorists in uniform of Islamic State of Nigeria have seized their market. They went to their market, break all their shops, and then ask them to leave the market, never to return in 1 month. Some of their children, female children, have been kidnapped and raped. Some of their old men and old women have been killed. This is what is going on in the nearby villages close to Osru. So now, about 5 to 6 villages have been shut down, no movement. And I believe it's not just going to stop from there, because the fire will keep burning until the whole of Osru, or the whole of Olu State in Biafra diagram or map, or precisely Olu Zone in the Zoological Republic of Islamic State of Nigeria map being shut down. From there, we enter another zone. From there, we enter another state. But bear in mind that Imo State, as Olu is going on war now, it will not just stop in Olu. It will spread out. And this is the last fight, as I always say. After this, Biafra will be emerged. So fasten your seatbelt. Don't say it doesn't concern you. Fasten your seatbelt. We are on war. Right now, we are still on war. They have deployed not less than 2,000 soldiers. As in today, the information I got is them full Dangote trailer, and they come and upload them. No wahala. They will never forget the history in Ori. And so as I tell them, the more you come, the more you will fall. Yes, they will never forget history in Ori. So let them come. The land is big enough to swallow them. Your duty is to, if you are in Imo State, the entire Imo State, prepare. If you are not in Imo State, prepare. Prepare. Anywhere you are, prepare for the war. I've already started. And this war started in Olu. And believe you me, after everything, everywhere born, it will still come to Olu and end in Olu. It is a prophecy that was prophesied, and it must come to pass. It have started. We are on the war. Don't say it doesn't concern you before you will lose your life for nothing. It concerns every citizen of Biafrans. If you are a Biafrans, it concerns you. If you are a Biafrans, don't joke with this message. If you are a Biafrans, don't play with this. If you need to protest, protest. If you need to broadcast, broadcast. If you need to, find every mean to destroy your enemy, do so. It is for your own life and for your own sake. If you fail to kill Nigeria, Nigeria will kill you. It is just that. No addition, no subtraction. If you don't do this, you will do this. If you don't live, you are a dead person. And then if you doesn't want to die, you must kill something that want to kill you. If you want to live, you must kill something that want to kill you. That is a simple truth. So therefore, Imo State, the whole Imo State prepare. At the end, all will hail Biafra. I don't intend to go more than this. I will keep updating you as the battle is continued. We are about to enter day 4 of the battle. Good day and good night to all of you. And be watchful for where you are. Thank you and God bless you. Only for the lovers of freedom and the people of Biafra. For the enemies of Biafra, I wish them nothing but death and sorrow. I have no business with them. They have come that they may die, and they will die. But at the end, believe you me, this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. And they will testify, not in the hurry to forget the history. Remain blessed, sleep tight, and may Chukwu Kikabiama guide and protect each and every one of you that love Biafra.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be smart, shebi una don hear am. And we still dey here, they bring you update back to back. Abeg, may you share this video and make sure say you dey follow this channel for more update as e dey hot, because our own to bring you update of things wey dey happen. And may you leave your own opinion for inside comment section as e dey hot.